The ANDELI MIG-270 welding machine offers a versatile 4-in-1 functionality, supporting gas metal arc welding, flux core arc welding, stick welding, and lift tungsten inert gas welding processes. This powerful machine operates on dual voltage, making it adaptable for use with both 110-volt and 220-volt power supplies, ensuring flexibility for various work environments. With a real output of 200 amperes, this welder uses advanced IGBT inverter technology to enhance efficiency and reliability, allowing you to tackle demanding projects with ease. Its synergic design allows for simple wire feed speed control, making it user-friendly even for beginners, while also featuring automatic safety protections against overheating and voltage fluctuations. The compact and portable design of the ANDELI MIG-270 allows it to accommodate up to 11 pounds of welding wire, making it convenient to transport to different job sites. Certified for safety and backed by a 2-year warranty, this welding machine ensures peace of mind with efficient customer service and free replacement parts if needed.